you like it? Good morning. Angel, you gonna say hi? Hello, everybody. Today I'm buying a car. And so I need to clean out my old car. It's a nice 2000 Toyota Corolla. Little baby car. It's a mess in there. And I'm ready to clean it up and be done. So basically, I'm gonna clean out this car today before I go to my appointment at 12:30 to sign the papers and hand over the money for my new car. Okay, let's get this cleaned up. I did it! I'm sitting in the passenger seat right now, so I'm just checking it out. Switching everything over. Gonna put his car seat here. Wondering if I should put it in the middle or to the left. I gave it a car wash. What do you think? Do you like it? You could hear an owl. So it's been a couple days later. Here's my car. It's been wonderful. I had to work yesterday. Today we're gonna go do something. Gonna find something to do. I'm outside right now because our bird feeder broke. The bird feeder bent. It was too heavy and something must have happened last night that it bent this whole thing. Oh, that was easy. But I can't put that bird feeder back on there because it's too heavy. Hi, Angel. Look out. Okay, you can pick it up?
Yes.
That's bird seed. See, it's heavy. Whoa, watch where you're going. A snail is not scary. Let's look at it. Is he in here? Where? On the other side? Is there a snail in this one? No.
That's the nail I picked up.
That?
Yeah.
That's not a snail.
Where is it?
I don't know, but you don't need to freak out like that. It's just a snail. And there's a little worm here. Little worm.
Mom touched him.
You want to touch him?
No, Mom touched him. Early. He wasn't there.
Yeah?
No, don't drag him.
It's just a worm.
I want to hide from him.
He's not a bad guy. He's just a worm. I'm driving my new car right now. I'm going to pick up Jog from daycare. And it's been like a week now of owning this new car, being a new car owner. It's a 2018 Subaru Forester. I don't know if I said that already. So it's like 3 years old, but it's new to me. And only 3 years old. That's a pretty new car. I'm so excited. I love the car. It's black outside, black inside, all black everything. I need to get a roof rack. I do have like a sunroof here. Cool. Love it. I need to get a roof rack or something. I just want to look cool. But also like, it will be very useful for like camping trips or whatever to tie things down or whatever. I just need to find a good one that works well with the sunroof. That is the main thing that I'm thinking about. This afternoon I'm going hopefully to sell my old car. I'm meeting somebody at 4:30 and hopefully they want it, even though the check engine light is on. There's like nothing wrong with it, okay? She just likes to keep her check engine light on. They're kind of just desperate for a car though, so they might not even care because it runs fine. It's been like a week since I recorded anything, so that's why I'm getting on to talk a little bit more about this and how it's been going. I don't know if you can tell, but the visibility is amazing. There's like windows, big windows the whole way around. The back window is a big rectangular window, not just this tiny little oval that a lot of the new cars are doing with their like sportier looks and stuff. I hate that because I feel like you can't see anything. So this is honestly perfect. Jack loves it. He always says, "Is this our new car?" Every single time that I pick him up or anything like that, he's like, "Oh, there's our new car." And then we park next to our old car and he says, "Are you parking next to your old car?" So we love it.